There's two rounds of possible severe storms. One will be during the first half of the day today, especially south of Houston, and then one will be late tonight, especially north of Houston. So we'll get into that in a moment. But let's look at the rain chances. Even if you don't get severe weather, rain is very likely where you are. We've got high odds of rain through the mid and late morning hours through midday. Here's early afternoon. Notice how a lot of that then kind of tapers off by late day. We do expect a lull right around dinner time, which might time out pretty well for the second commute of the day before the late night round of storms will be coming in. That'll be round number 2. And the reason why we're talking about 2 rounds, we got 2 areas of low pressure, 2 disturbances passing by. So one is going to ride the coastline here over the course of the first part of the day today. That's why we expect the strongest storms at first to be mostly south of Houston, although we can't rule out severe weather in Houston as well. And then here's the second round that's going to bring some of those strong storms mainly near and north of Houston much later on tonight. On radar right now, we're already just in the last half hour seeing a little bit of increase in the intensity of the rain. So we've got some pretty good downpours passing over the Gulf Freeway here, just kind of south and southeast of Houston, and even downtown we've got some heavy rain as well. So here's one batch going by, and there's going to be a lot more of these scattered showers and thunderstorms coming through over the course of the day today. Most areas are likely to get wet at some point. Severe weather outlook has a lot of our area in a level 2 out of 5 risk for severe weather, which means scattered severe thunderstorms are possible. Mostly short-lived though, but a few could be particularly intense. Now, as far as the severe weather aspects, there's 3. There's hail, wind, and tornadoes. Of the 3, hail is the most likely severe weather threat. We've got a 15% chance. That means a 15% chance there's going to be some large hail near where you are. There's a lower risk for severe winds, but that risk is still there. It's at 5%. And then the tornado threat is very low, but it's non-zero. It's worth noting. And this is mostly confined to the first batch of storms, which again is going to scrape right along the coast, maybe close to I-10 here as we go through the morning hours. So again, south for the first round, north for the second round, but each of those has potential to reach the greater Houston area. Widespread rain today, maybe 1 or 2 leftover showers spinning around all this behind all this tomorrow, but mostly we're dry there. And then Friday through the weekend, overall looking pretty good. Nice temperatures, dry weather. We have another round of rain likely coming in Monday of next week.